Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this OPPO A96 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can block all spam and robocalls on this device. So first what you gotta do is to open up the phone dialer app, which looks just like this. Here at the top right corner, go for the three dots, choose settings, and at the settings menu go for the caller ID and spam section. And basically here all that's left to do is to turn on the filter spam call switch, and from now on all the spam and robocalls will be successfully filtered out. And as you can see, by enabling this switch, you prevent the suspected spam calls from disturbing you. Alright, so that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye!